we are giving away a bottle of original Super Clean and an aerosol can of Super Clean. And here's what you need to do to be entered. All you need to do is be in the 48 states and leave a comment on the video. Examples of comments to leave are: what do you use Super Clean for? And would you like to win free products? I will reply back to your comment with a number. The deadline for comments will be Sunday, June 30th at 6 p.m. One of the assigned numbers will be picked at random and announced Monday, July 1st. Comment and good luck. Super Clean wants one of you to be a lucky winner to receive these products.